a video for Tom and Ben to practice the song Paint the Town for their solos. I'll be singing what Tom sings at first, and Ben joins in right here at number 13 on the chorus where it says paint the town, use your own imagination. I'll be pointing for you to follow along and to see the words. Here we go. Take the paintbrush in your hand, hold it just like so. Dip the brush into the paint and away you go. Paint the town, use your own imagination. Up and down makes the world go round. Come on and paint the town. You will be a big sensation. Up and down as you paint the town. Now, that's all that you have for your solos in it, and I hope you were able to follow along. You have the lyrics to the song that you can also read along with, so you don't necessarily have to follow my finger. Good luck!